Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Selecting colors to decorate with like black, blue, gray, even those darker colors, dark reds or dark greens, it doesn't have to be tricky. Make it fun. Now you guys know how much I love decorating with blue and white. And I've always prided myself on being more traditional than modern. And now I'm starting to shift a little bit more. I don't know if it has to do with the fact that I'm soon to be an empty nest mom or what. I don't know. But the fact is, I want to engage more with my passion for blue and white decor. So I'm not going to go out and spend a lot of money. I'm just going to add in a few more accessories. Now let's take, for instance, my dining room. No, we're not going to do a tablescape today. We're just going to become more impactful with the color blue. I started out by pulling in the small curio cabinet that I did a couple of years ago, and I'll link that video here. And I moved that into the dining room. I also removed a picture from the living room. Now this picture is called Kimono. It's by William Gatewood. Love it. It was a find. Didn't pay a dime for it, but I found out it had value. I had it triple matted with a silver, gold, and navy matte. And then I also had the frame painted silver. I painted it silver, to be perfectly honest. Okay, I know that picture is hanging a little high, but it's in the middle of the plate wall on the opposite wall. The other thing is the sun comes in bright in that area every single morning. And let me tell you, that spot between the bottom of that picture and the top of that cabinet, it glows oh so fierce. And I don't want to fade that picture. So I just raised it up another 6 inches and that's fine with me. Okay, so I explained it to you. All right, so now I've got blue, white, silver, gold going on that wall. The next wall has the plates, and those are the plates that were featured in Better Homes and Gardens March 2021. And if you want to know about that DIY, I will also link that video. Okay, now on to the final wall. That wall that has the most monotone, boring appearance. At least it's boring to me now. At first I loved it, but now I want more from that wall. You know what I mean? More impact. Okay, so we're gonna start out by taking the lamps away. And then we're going to take down those heavy corbels. I love them. And let me tell you, I love relic decor. Absolutely love it. It's a whole restoration hardware vibe, rejuvenation vibe. And I'm telling you, it's coming back even more. Now here's something else that I took from the living room. These candlestick holders are from Z Gallery. I purchased them in silver and then I painted them with gold metallic paint. Now this is how I hang anything that has a keyhole in the back of it. I always make a template and then mark exactly where the screw or nail is going to be. Have you noticed lately that lamps are beyond the chrome, the brass, the glass? Now it is all about color to be able to give you that pop of color that you want in your room. Well, I'd like to say cobalt blue is making an appearance in the dining room. I'm ready to challenge myself with decorating with blue and white, not so much on one side of tradition or one side of modern or even approaching a glam. I just want to have the color throughout my home and have it tell my story of how much I love decorating with the blue or either blue and white or blue and silver. But nevertheless, blue is my neutral. These lamps are by Stylecraft. I purchased them from a local furniture store. They were the only two lamps available. I did pull together a lamp collection in my Amazon store. I call it colorful and high fashion lamps. And there you have it. The color blue doesn't make me blue. It makes me happy. That's it for me today, guys. It's been so much fun just sitting here and talking with you guys and catching up again. And I'm just looking for more expeditious ways to get out more videos to you guys. And this seems to be working. I want to thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for watching me on all of those multiple smart devices that everyone seems to have these days. However, we need to somehow make that a segue onto YouTube so we can subscribe. So here's a QR code for my YouTube channel. You can scan it and go over to YouTube and subscribe. And remember to ring the bell and continue watching on your smart device. The more subscriptions, the more motivated we are over here to keep going, okay? So go over and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.